This was my first time making tomatillo salsa, and I have no idea why I waited for so long. I started with a pound of husked tomatillo and added cherry tomatoes for balance. The sweetness helped tame the tang, and I'm all for that. Into a hot pan they went with a little olive oil, blistering until they started to char. The cherry tomatoes were cooked faster, so I pulled those out first, leaving the tomatillo to char more. Then I added yellow onion, a bit more olive oil, removed some of the charred tomatillo, and added a jalapeño, a poblano pepper, and a few garlic cloves a minute or two later. The smell at this point, unreal. Once everything was soft and golden with char, I threw everything into a blender. Blend it all. Then add cilantro, salt and pepper, and blend again until semi-smooth. Taste it and adjust seasoning. It was perfect. Store it in a mason jar, but save a little for chip dipping quality control, of course. That's my roasted tomatillo salsa. Smoky, tangy, and just the right kick for taco night or dipping sauce for grilled lamb or steak. And if salsa is your love language too, check out my salsa canning episode where I show you how to batch it up. Enjoy the garden fresh flavor all year long. See you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.